Okay, everybody, it's almost Canadian Thanksgiving, and so you know I gotta be decorating for it. I saw these adorable little pumpkins, and so I'm gonna make them myself. Here is all you need, is a pair of socks, and then you just cut them up just like this. Out of the high socks, I got 4 little pumpkins. Then you get some needles and thread. I got them all from the dollar store. Then you baste around the top of the sock and the bottom of the sock, which just really means you do a wide stitch. I pulled it all together and then that became the bottom of my pumpkin. I did the same thing around the top of my pumpkin. Then I grabbed a massive handful of this stuffing and stuffed my little pumpkin. Now the key to the best pumpkins is to stuff it as fat as you can. Then you can see I stitched around the top again, and then at the end when you're pulling it tight, you just push in those little toppy ends and then you pull it really tight and it looks like a little pumpkin top. Now I grabbed a different color thread and I put the needle up through the middle of it and I went around it 6 times, pulling it really tight as I did to make the little pumpkin indentations. If you know me, you know I'm feeling like a boss right now because these pumpkins turned out so adorable. Then I grabbed a cinnamon stick, you have to give it a sniff first, and then I broke it into 3 pieces, grabbed my glue gun, and just shoved it in the top. Honestly, it was such an easy craft, took about 15 minutes. Now I feel like grabbing one of my husband's old sweaters that he doesn't wear and making a big pumpkin. I'm not sure he'd be down for that, but anyways, happy Thanksgiving.